Hi, I'm going to show you how to create a simple logo for a small business. So first off, you want to create a new canvas. Um, I like to use 2000 by 2000 pixels at 300 ppi. Now we're going to want to create our ideogram. It's going to be something simple. Just want to make sure that the size is the same all the way around. Alright, and then we're going to fill this with black. Now you want to create a new layer, then you can fill it with black. See, that looks good. Center it a little bit. I think it would be best to cut these up a little. You can use a ruler to help you create some better measurements. I think this much is fine. Deselect, then you can move the rulers away. And then, right, once it's like this, just want to cut this top part off. All right, kind of like that. And then from there you want to add the business name. Do pay attention to the font that you use. Depending on the font that you choose to use, it could make or break the logo. Mhm. Right? Make sure that you size it properly. Um, there are many ways to place the uh, the font or the typography onto the logo. You could go for something a bit bolder and try to make it just bigger, bigger than the ideogram, or you could make it, smaller, just the same size. For now, I'm going for something compact, so this is what I'm going for. All right, and then I'm gonna add the remaining words of the logo. All right, make them smaller. Just make sure that they are the same size. Make sure to use the rulers. They're very helpful. Bring it down a little bit, and then from there, something like this. Well, let's see how it looks like. Alright, this is it. I like it. Alright, so now what you want to do is, depending on how you want to do this, I prefer to merge all of this because the logo will be kind of the same color, right? So just merge the typography as its own part and then the ideogram as its own part. That'll allow me to be able to work on them properly. So now when I get my colors, I'm going for gold. So I think it's best, right? We're going for a gradient, gold gradient, golden. I like this one. Now you do this particular part in Photoshop very differently, and on Illustrator or on CorelDRAW differently. So it might not be the same depending on how you use the software, but basically for me it's more like an overlay, just like that, right? Done. And then this side too. I think it'd be nice to have a bit of yeah, black onto it, darkness. Right, there we go, just like that. And then, as you can see, our background. Okay, I think I made a bit of a mistake here. I'm supposed to create another layer. Let's do this again. Right, there we go. Alright. Now you just want to remove the black the black logos. So and then bring back the gold. So it won't look strange now like it did before. From there, I want to add the black background. So you want to feel your background. Like, this is it. Right. I just want this to be a little bit different. Yeah, like that. I want the gold to be strong and visible. Same for the words too. Like that. This is it so far. I like this. Thank you for watching.